Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Tonight we're going to do a haul of a couple of things that I have ordered. I'm actually a little behind on everything, but so let's begin. Let's start with this one. Oh Snap Crafters Cafe on Etsy, and her name is Jenny, and you can find her also. She has a YouTube channel called The Uncrafty Crafter, and she's very sweet. Okay, let's see what I got. Sometimes, you know, you order things and then you sort of forget what you got, but you ordered. This has been a while. Okay, let's see. So, got a little ice cream. It says Just Chill. And some candies. So we got Creamy Delight Hard Candy Peach. And this one's Creamy Delight Hard Candy Strawberry. I'm going to keep the strawberry and I'll give Mommy the peach. Okay, and this just tells me basically what I ordered. A note from the shop. Thank you so much for your order. Thank you, Sylvia. Jenny. Love, Jenny. Okay, so let's open this up. Very cute little bag with little polka dots. Thank you for supporting my small business. Okay. Now I remember what I ordered. Okay. All right, let's see. I've been dying to use these. All right, is this the instructions? How to use beautiful scented sparkly sticky dots. So that's what they are, guys. It's Oh Snap Dots, Unicorn Farts, Scented Glue Dots, Unicorn Farts. It's funny. It's pretty. Okay, see, let's see. What does it say here? Recommend use a new tip placer. Okay, so you got to peel the plastic sheet from the white release paper. Use tweezers to yank. Then use the tweezers or fingers to load the sticky dot into your single placer or multi-placer. Remove any excess from the tip. If it's too sticky at first, just dirty it up a bit. Yeah, pressing your finger on it. Okay. All right. Thank you, Jenny. I'm gonna actually try to use this with my new diamond painting, but I'll be starting in April. All right, and I think I ordered some Coverminders. Wow, look how pretty these are. Wow. So what did I order? I ordered, I didn't order a, I think I have some anyway. So these are just the Coverminder, but I didn't order the base because I believe I have some. Anyway, okay, so let's open this up. They're so pretty, guys. This one is, it just says Snap Charm for Coverminder. Okay, look how pretty that is. Oops, is that not beautiful? Let me move this light a little closer so you guys can see it. Better lighting. Very, very pretty. Look at this one. Oh, that's gorgeous. Love the colors on that. And this one right here. So you basically use the base and you snap these. So they're interchangeable. You can change it. Not pretty? Love them. Thank you, Jenny. Okay, so let's put this aside. The instructions, I need those instructions. I gotta make sure I don't lose that. Let's put this over here for now. Okay, the next one, let's open this one here. This is Simply Gilded. Everyone keeps talking about the Simply Gilded washi tape, so I wanted to try it out. So let's see what I ordered. I already cut out all the private information. Love this. Okay, it's very, very shiny. So thank you, Sylvia. It looks like I ordered the Love Letter Stardust Floral Washi. Okay, and then I ordered the Dusty Blue Peachy Floral. It looks like I ordered 3. All right. Huh. Ooh. Pretty cool, guys. I'm loving it already. Look at this. It comes with little stickers. Look at these bow stickers. I guess this is like, is this like a postcard? I guess you could use this as a postcard, right? And look at these little, oops, look at the sticker bows. Is that, look at that. It's, what do you call this? Holographic. And then you have another one here, a pink one. And then this is, oh, these are little stickers too. This is a sampler freebie. I guess you could use these on your planner. It's got a TV if you're watching TV. You see that? There's a car. If you go to the gym, I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty cool. So let's look at the washi tape, guys. So we have 6 in here. That's pretty. Just don't know what is this one called? This must be the Dusty Blue. Yeah, this is probably the Dusty Blue and Peachy Floral Stardust washi tape, and it's got like gold bows. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to see. I guess this one goes with this one. Wow, guys, look at that. I don't know if this is the Stardust. Love Letter Stardust Floral Washi. And then there's a Floral Flora Sage. So I'm thinking, oops, I have no idea which one. I guess this one goes with this one because it's floral. And then they're all beautiful. This one has flowers too. It's got the gold. Not pretty. And then of course this one is pink. So I see, I got the blue and the pink, and then the blue, like a blue sage with flowers. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm definitely going to try this. You can use these for your planner, for your scrapbooking, for cards, and of course for diamond paintings. So they come in handy, guys. All right. Love them. So let's put these over here. Let's see what's next. This is from Bree, Painting with Pitties. She has a YouTube channel, and by the way, all these so far are from Etsy, okay, except this one, Simply Gilded. Okay, so Bree has a YouTube channel and a Etsy shop. It says, hi Sylvia, thank you much for your support, and I believe I bought the magnet, yeah, it says with magnet, and she personalized it, so it's a custom cover minder. And I told her to put Scrapping Sylvia. All right, and of course she's got beautiful dogs, cat, and I think she has a cat also. But look at this, look at the stickers. Isn't that cool? Oh wow, love it. And I guess this is her card, Painting with Pitties. Okay, let's put that aside, and look at this, it's a paw print sticker with flowers. That's really pretty. That's actually very cool. All right, so let's see. And I love that the washi tapes, her washi tape is actually Pitties' dog. Okay, let's see. I believe she makes these herself. Wow, guys. Oops. Look at this. Is this not cool? Oh, I love it. I don't know if you can see it. Scrapping Sylvia. Let's see if I put it under white paper so you can see it better. Is that better? I don't know. And it's got magnets in the back and little stars. It's a cloud. See? So it's a cover minder. Very, very cool. Okay. Thank you, Bree. I'm trying to go a little fast, guys, because I have a lot. Okay, let's see. Let's do the cat proof. Okay. Remember I said my last one that there's 3 trays that I love so far. It's Muni Made, Bella Art de Nicole, and I'm really loving also these cat proof diamond trays. It says, if you love what we do, leave a 5-star review. I'm fragile, please be gentle. Thank you. Okay, love the pink little box. Very, very cute. Look at this, guys. So I already took out my private information. Love this little bag. And this must be their card. Cat-proof diamond trays. Gravity works, but so do we. Thank you for your purchase of a cat-proof diamond tray. And then, of course, it's a 10% discount. So you can find them on Facebook, Instagram, and our Etsy shop is cat-proof diamond trays. Awesome. Let's put that there. Put that over there. Okay, what do we have in here? Ooh, I see a little cover minder. Look at that cute little cover minder, guys. Let's take it out. It looks like it's a chocolate heart, but I could be wrong. Looks like, yeah, it's like a little cupcake. And it says, happy birthday. Very, very cute. So let's put that there. And what is this? I have no idea. Is this a candy? Oh, let's open it up. Oops. I have no idea. It's a bear. Is it a bear? No, it's a piggy. See, it's laying down its side. It's very cute. It's very squishy. Okay, and it's very wiggly. All right, so let's see. It says thank you with a little paw print. Let's see, little cats, thank you. Thank you for your continued support. And there goes the kitty cat stickers. This one's sleeping or taking a little nap, and this one's playing the drums. Just adorable. Okay, so let's see. I think I ordered the mini one because I already have the large one and a medium one. So I wanted a small one. I wanted to try it out. Let's put that over there. Look how cute this is, guys. Cat-proof tray. Oh my God. It's got a little paw print. It's just so cute. And then on the bottom it says cat-proof trays. I can't see what it says there. A kitten? I can't see. But I love the colors. And I love that it has a lid. So if you walk away, you put the lid on until you come back. And I love that she always puts a little cat. See this? It's a little kitten. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. This is going to be perfect for when I'm working on my snack size paintings, guys. Love this. Okay, so let's put the tray there. Okay, now let's look at the PaddyWaxx. Now I actually ordered two. They're also on Etsy, and I believe they also have a YouTube channel, and it's Robin and Ben. Hi Robin and Ben, and thank you very much. Love all your diamond. They have diamond paintings, they have Coverminders. I always get the Coverminders. Okay, we have candies. Where are the candies? Where did I put the candies? Over here. Let's see what I ordered, guys. Let's put that aside. Look at this. She sent me a cute little, is this a Coverminder? It is. It's a butterfly. It's like a 3D butterfly. Is that not the cutest? I love it. Thank you. And then she sent me stickers. Girl power. And a very pretty pink flower. I love stickers, guys. Okay, so Distracted by Diamonds, Sylvia, thank you. XOXO Robin. All right. Let's see. And then, of course, I ordered some more here. So let's just put them all together. Let's see. The same. Yep. Oh, more stickers. Hold on. Hold on a second. So she sent me a castle and a greenhouse. Okay. All right. Let's see, how many did I order? I believe there's candy in here too. Wow. And she sent me, look at this, some Crystal Dazzlers 209. These candies, they smell really nice, guys. And Melon Mist. I believe this is like a wax. That's what it smells. I thought it was the candy. I think it's that melon mist. Okay, I think that's it. All right, I'm like going crazy with these Coverminders because I love the size. I already have, I don't even know how many. And these are stuck together. Come on. Oh, maybe she taped them together. Let's cut this here. There you go. All right, so let's see. Let's open the frosty one first. Frosty Fairy. I just love these magnets, guys, these Coverminders, and I love their size. Okay, look how pretty that is. This one is a Frosty Fairy. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. All right, and then let's let's open the Indigenous Fairy with Cub. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. Look at the colors on that. The green colors on her wings. Well, this one, you know, she's the fairy, and she's got a snowflake. And then this one's, of course, has a little wolf cub. Okay. And then I've got another one, Indigenous Fairy, but this one has an owl. I think I'm collecting them, guys. And, oh my gosh. But you know what? I think this one broke. I see a little crack there. See that? She's still gorgeous. She's got the little owl and then blue wings. Okay. And then I ordered the Red Dragon Fairy. I might have to let her know that this one's cracked. Let's see. This one is, what did we say? Red Dragon Fairy. Oh, wow. Beautiful. And one more, guys. And this one is Marilyn Monroe. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh my gosh. Look at how adorable. With a famous white dress. Beautiful. Love them. Okay, and then just one more thing. That's it, guys. And this is from Amazon. This is a pen that I got. Let's see. This comes with a lot of wax, as you can see. It comes with different placers here. Let's see. Let's open this up very quickly. Wow, this is a lot. I don't even know how many in here. Wow. Look at this. So it's got a straightener, actually 2, single placer. This one's for a 10. This one's a 4 placer. It's a 7, 7, 4, and 10. Okay, that's a lot. And then the pen. I love these pens, guys. I'll put all the description, I'll put all the information in the description box if you're interested. So this one's the only one that's from Amazon. Everything else is from either Etsy or their online store. Oh gosh, I can't get it open. Where are my scissors? Where did I put the scissors? Okay. All right, look at this. Look how pretty this is, guys. It's a single placer, okay? But look at this. Oops, that wasn't centered. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. All right, so let's see. So we got the pen. Actually, I'm not centered there, huh? Then we got the magnets, and then the other magnet here. And then you have a little, I keep calling them magnets. Well, they are magnets, but they're Coverminders. And let's not forget the little piggy. These are the stickers. And the tray. Can you see everything in there? Probably not. Let's just move all the stickers over here together. The butterfly, the washi tape, my Coverminders, and the unicorn farts wax. Okay. I think I got everything in here. And of course the candies. And that's about it for tonight, guys. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye.